Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We just hit 1000 subscribers. Yay! That's amazing, seriously. But the amazing part of it is just that in just 2 days we hit 1000 subscribers. Total subscription we had was, yes, the total subscription is 3486 subscribers. That's what we got in 48 hours. Is that not amazing? Wow. So in this channel, I'm going to be guiding you on what I did. So you're going to do yours and hit your own 1000 subscribers. If you're jamming my channel, if you're new to my channel for the very first time, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop your comment and on the notification button. So anytime I post any amazing video, you are going to be notified. Do you understand? My name is Gloch, Tutorial Gloch. In my channel, I educate you on how to get your subscribers and everything you need to know about YouTube. So stay tuned and watch this video. Please don't miss any of this video, because the side you might miss might be the one that will help you in your channel. So stay tuned to navigate this journey of no subscribers today. All right, let me open my YouTube studio. So okay, this is my YouTube studio. So let's go to analysis. Let's go to the analysis and see. Okay, here the total view I got in this channel is 157k views total. Wow. So the first video I made, I got the first video here, I got 27k views. So let's check how many subscribers this particular video generated for us. So this particular video gave us 638 subscribers. So now we are going to be checking what this video generated in 24 hours. What this video generated in 24 hours. How many subscribers? In 24 hours of posting this video, I got 513 subscribers. Is that not amazing? What are you waiting for? Let's check the second video. So the second video, okay, the second video gave us 25k view and 600 subscribers. So let's check in 24 hours how many subscribers did this video generated for us. So in 24 hours this video generated 489 subscribers in 24 hours. The first 24 hours this video 489 subscribers, adding it to there almost 1000 subscribers. Is that not amazing? Oh, I'm happy. So let's check the third video. Wow, the third video gave us 24k views and 505 subscribers. So let's check in 24 hours how many subscribers did this video give us. In 24 hours we're able to get 404 subscribers. That's amazing. In total we'll have 1000 something. 24 hours. So check all the videos in 24 hours. How many subscribers did I get? So one good thing about it, you can collab as much as you want per day, but once you get to 1000 subscribers, please stop collabing and continue your content. So you start engaging your people, you start engaging your subscribers with your own content. That is it. So now to make this video short, let me take you to my YouTube. Now I'm going to be showing you how I got my 1000 subscribers in just 24 hours. Your YouTube channel, go to the search bar and search Prosperity X. Okay, then you click here, click on Prosperity X. Then you see the videos he has here. Then go to the last one, start with the last one that have 5.9 million views. Then you click there. Then you screenshot this write-up. See this write-up, you are out if this is true about you. You will put everything the way he did it here. That's how you're going to do yours. So you set everything the way he did his here now. So you come out, then you see this plus sign here. You touch the plus sign, you see collab. Then you click on the collab. We are getting there. So look at, it's on 15 seconds. So you have to touch there. It's 53 seconds now. So you come down and drag it to the end. Drag it to the end. Then you touch next. You click on next. Now the video is processing. Okay, the video has finished processing now. So what you should do now, you mute this mic here, because if you didn't mute the mic, anything you're saying in the background is entering the video. So it's better you mute the mic. You mute the mic, then touch the red button. If I say something about you, you're out. Let's go with the first challenge. You're eliminated if your favorite color is orange. If it's not, you can keep going. Like the video to gain an extra life if you get eliminated. Challenge 2. You're out if your phone or tablet is charging while watching this video. So what you'll be doing, you just be acting according to what the person is saying. So in the process of not making this video long, I will just continue from here. So but when you are doing yours, please allow the video to play finish so you can be able to get what you are looking for, please. Then you mark it and go to next. When you go to next, you see the pen up, you touch the pen. Let's change our thumbnail, set it the way you want. So now let me put, okay, I like this. Now I think, is this one okay? If it's okay, please drop it in the comment section. I love this. So you mark it. Then remember what you screenshot his title on this video. You go down and pick it. You are out. You are out if this is true about you. Okay, you are out if this is true about you. Then you go and pick, okay, there is X, then the thumb down, you add it, then hashtag shorts, then don't forget to add duets, hashtag duets, because the video is not yours, you are collabing. So YouTube will know that you are collabing with this person. They will, so that they will not think that you are using the person's video. So they will know that you are collabing with this person. Don't forget to add hashtag duets. Then the next thing you should do is to upload. In the process of this video, I'm using it to teach you what I did. I'm not going to upload the video because I don't want to collab again. I'm through with my collabing. So you upload. Immediately you upload, your video is running on your channel. Then you can do as much as you want. You can go ahead and do as much as you want. As much as you, so that if you can do up to 5 to 7 videos, as much as you can every day. Maybe 2 days you will hit your first 1,000 subscribers. Is that not amazing? I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, then on the notification button, that anytime I post any amazing video, YouTube will notify you. See you in my next video. Bye.